10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
All right, joining me now, ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather anchor Sierra and Cines. Now, to me, I've noticed a cool down, but I know it's also been super hot today as well.
The heat will linger tomorrow, but we are starting to cool off, which is some good news for us. The inland communities will say goodbye to the 90s. Taking a look outside right now, you can see there's some patchy fog forming over downtown San Diego. You'll wake up to that if you're along our coastline. Temperatures in San Diego right now, 67 degrees, feels just like that. Humidity at about 84%. Temperatures around the rest of the county right now, 67 up in Oceanside. Ramona sitting at 66. We have cooled off in our deserts out of the triple digits, cooling off to 89 in Borrego Springs. Overnight lows along the coastline will be about 66 with that patchy fog, 65 inland and in our mountain communities. We will see gusty winds in our mountain and desert communities, and that will linger until Tuesday. We will cool down to about 81 degrees in those desert communities tonight. We're still under that excessive heat warning until Monday evening in the desert communities. Tomorrow's highs around the county will see the mid to upper 70s along our coastline, 90 forecasted in Poway, 85 in Julian, still triple digits, but under 110 degrees. Great news in Borrego Springs tomorrow. What you need to know heading into the work week: we are going to finally start cooling down into the low 80s by Wednesday in our inland communities. There is a chance for showers and thunderstorms starting Wednesday. It's also going to bring some muggy conditions, and that's because we have tropical air entering from Tropical Storm Eugene that's near Baja California right now. Let's fire up our rain and cloud futurecast. This is Wednesday at about 10:30 a.m. That's when we're really forecasting this. The chance for these storms is under 30% around the county. The biggest chance will be in our mountain communities. They're looking at about a 27% chance. That's what we're forecasting right now. Taking a look along our coastline over the next 7 days, we are going to see the 70s trend along our coastline. Those will be the highs. Our overnight lows will be in the upper 60s. As we take a look in our inland communities, like I said, we're saying goodbye to the 90s in our inland communities, but let's take a look hour by hour tomorrow. As we wake up and start our day, we're going to see things in the 70s, and then we will top out at about 89, and then we'll start to cool down by dinner time into the 60s. We will see the lows at about 64. In our mountain communities, we'll see 85 tomorrow, and like I mentioned, the chance for storms will begin Wednesday, and it'll continue through Thursday. We will also see gusty winds. We could see wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour in our desert communities that are still sitting in the triple digits. But look at that, Nia. By Thursday, it's going to be 102 degrees, which is much cooler than what we've been seeing over the last month. It was almost 120 degrees. Remember that?
Exactly. I remember.